Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome you all to learn Chinese language with Chinese language made easy. I am Muhammad Shahid, and today I will discuss part third of the names of the strokes of a Chinese character. It is very essential for us to know these names. I have already recorded 2 lectures on the same topic, and today I will discuss more names of the strokes of a Chinese character. So you have to pay attention till the end of the lecture to have a brief idea about the names of these strokes, which will help you in writing a Chinese character or a Chinese sentence in the future when you decide to write a Chinese character or a Chinese sentence. So the strokes names which I'll discuss today varies from 16 to 20, and these names in Chinese language are known as Ming Cheng, Ming Cheng, Ming Cheng, Ming Cheng. Ming Cheng means names. So the first stroke which we will discuss today, the 16th strokes, I have recorded 2 lectures on this topic in which I discussed 15 names of the strokes of a Chinese character. So this is actually 16th. The first of this lecture, and 16th of the continuation part of the previous 2 lectures. Okay, so this character, this stroke name is this one, Heng Zhe Zhe Pie, Heng Zhe Zhe Pie, Heng Zhe Zhe Pie, Heng Zhe Zhe Pie. So in English it is known as the horizontal and redoubled turning with a left falling. I will show you the symbol. This is the symbol, and if you look at it carefully, it is including a hung. So when you complete the hung by writing it from left to right, then you give it a turn. When you complete the turn, then you give it another turn, and then you write a pie. So this is why this stroke is named as Heng Zhe Zhe Pie, Heng Zhe Zhe Pie, and it is known as the horizontal and redoubled turning with a left falling. I will show you some examples which you would need to know now. So these are the examples which include this stroke. Okay, so you can see, you already, if you don't know, I'll tell you now. The first one is zhe, 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 and the second one is guo, 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 guo. Okay, in English they are known as, the first one is used for this, and the second character is used for after a verb in a sentence to show completion of a past action. As we sometimes say that 你看过那个电影吗？你看过那个电影吗？ Have you ever seen that movie? Okay, if I'm mentioning some movie to someone. So this is the stroke which actually is included in a Chinese character. When I will write this in front of you, you would recognize it more in a more proper way if I try to discuss this while writing it in front of you. But in these characters you can also see that. If you cannot see that, I will discuss this stroke in front of you and I will be writing it. So for now you have to know that this symbol in front of you is known as Heng Zhe Zhe Pie, Heng Zhe Zhe Pie. Okay, so we will discuss the 17th stroke name, and this one is Heng Zhe 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 Gou, Heng Zhe 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 Gou, Heng Zhe 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 Gou. So what is the symbol for this? This is the symbol for this stroke name, this stroke, and in English it is known as the horizontal and redoubled turning, just like the same. But what is different in this one is that it is with a hook on the left. That one has no hook and a left falling, but this one has a hook. Okay, and it has 3 turning, starting from the hung, and then you give it first turn, second turn, third turn, and then you rise it to the left with a hook. Okay, to the left with a hook, and I will show some examples which include this stroke, and this is the example. These are the examples. The first one is nai, 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 and the second one is rang ran, rang ran, rang ran, rang ran, rang ran. Okay, rang ran, rang ran. So rang ran, rang ran, rang ran. So in English, the first one is used for milk, and the second one is used for still, for saying still. Okay, I still didn't watch that movie. Okay, so it can be used for that. So this is the 17th stroke, and now we will discuss 18th stroke. And the 18th stroke is hung pie wan go, hung pie wan go, hung pie wan go, hung pie wan go, hung pie wan go. This is the symbol, and in English it is known as the horizontal with a left falling and a curve. The horizontal with a left falling and a curve. So the writing direction of this is that it would be starting from a hung, and it will have a left falling, and then it will have a curve. So it is hung pie wan go, hung pie wan go. I will show this to you in examples, and these are the examples which include this stroke. And the first one is na, 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 na. The second one is to, to, to. Okay, in English they are known as, the first one is used for saying that, and the second one is used for saying all or both. Okay, so like for example, 我爸爸妈妈都很好，我爸爸妈妈都很好。Both are fine. Okay, if I'm referring to the the status of their health. Okay, so 19th stroke, it is 撇着，撇着，撇着，撇着，撇着，撇着. So this is the symbol for it, and it is known as the left falling turning, the left falling turning. So you can see that it is having a pie, and then it is having a turn. So this is why this is 撇着, 撇着. Here are some examples which you can consider while discussing this stroke. The first one is 什么，什么，怎么，怎么，怎么，怎么，什么，怎么. So what, the first one is used for what, for saying what, and the second one is used for how. The 20th and the final stroke of this lecture is this one, 撇点，撇点，撇点，撇点，撇点. Okay, and 撇点 is a stroke. This is the stroke, and this is also known as left falling dot. Okay, left falling dot. Here are some examples which include this stroke, and the first one is 女, the second one is 好, 女, 好, and the first one is used for female, and the second one is used for good. So this was all for today. I hope that you would have learned a lot from this lecture. If you like this lecture, do like us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe us on YouTube. We will get back to you with more interesting information regarding Chinese language. Do supporting us, encouraging us, and we will meet in another video. Till then, 再见.